In this video, you will learn how to fix EA FC25 stuck on a loading screen. Restart your device, turn off your PC or console completely, then restart it to refresh the system memory. Check your internet connection, ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection, especially if you're launching the game online. Clear your cache. Clear your console or PC cache by unplugging it for a few minutes, then restarting. Update the game. Ensure EA FC25 is updated to the latest version to fix all known bugs or loading issues that may occur. Repair game files. On PC, use the EA app or Steam to scan and repair any corrupted game files. Disable background apps. Close unnecessary programs running in the background that could interfere with your game. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall EA FC25 to ensure a clean and complete installation. Now you know how to easily fix EA FC25 stuck on a loading screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.